Hi, and welcome to another episode of Pensacola Computers Presents. Today, we're going to be talking about how to use System Restore in Windows XP to restore your system. This can be extremely useful when your computer has gotten a virus or some malware, or you've made some kind of change which has made it difficult for Windows to start regularly. To enter safe mode, when you first power on your PC, tap the F8 key on your keyboard. Press it about once a second or so until you get to the safe mode menu screen. If you see the Windows loading animation, you missed it, so you'll need to power off your system and try again. When you get the safe mode menu screen, you're going to pick safe mode. Hit the enter key, you'll select your operating system and hit enter again. You'll see a whole bunch of things scroll on the screen. This is perfectly normal, don't worry about it. It's going to stop, and it may appear that it's gotten stuck for a minute or so, but give it a chance, it will get into safe mode eventually. Windows will then start up, everything's going to look really big. You're going to want to log in either using your password or depending on how you log in, you click on your username. What's going to happen then is you're going to get a prompt which indicates that you're entering safe mode and give you two options. If you choose yes, that will take you right into safe mode, or you can choose no, which will take you directly into System Restore. We're going to go ahead and choose no. Clicking no will bring up the System Restore interface. This is where it will allow you to restore your computer to an earlier time. You'll click the next button, then you'll see a calendar. There are bold dates on the calendar which indicate places where there are System Restore points. Some of the restore points may have more than one entry, so choose the one that you want. Sometimes it's a good idea to go back a week or so, or before, whenever your computer had a problem. You'll then press the next button. It will explain what System Restore is going to do. Then you hit the next button again, and it's going to begin the System Restore process. System Restore is a great tool because you don't lose any files. It won't change anything that you've done, pictures, anything like that. It only reverses changes made to software. System Restore will reboot your machine, and then it will begin to come back into normal Windows. You want to be patient and give it time to complete the task, so don't worry if it takes a little bit longer than normal for Windows to boot up. Now, the nice thing about getting into this is it will restore your system software-wise to how it was before, hopefully, everything happened, and you should be able to get back into Windows normally. When Windows does come up, you're going to want to go ahead and log in, and then just wait a minute. Don't do anything. Don't try to see if it worked. Don't try to open any programs, because you want to let System Restore finish its task. Once it is completed, you will be presented with a window which will tell you what happened, and hopefully it will have been successful. You'll then see a window that says System Restore has been successfully restored to the date, or it will tell you that it wasn't. It will also tell you if anything was moved or changed file-wise or anything like that, and give you the location so you can go see where it is. You can then click OK, and you want to remember that when System Restore moves everything back, you may have to reapply security updates and things like that. You can also enter System Restore from within Windows by going to Start, Accessories, System Tools, and System Restore. That way, you can also create a restore point, which once your computer is clean, it's probably a good idea to create a new clean System Restore point so you know when everything's good. Click the Create button. It will then tell you your System Restore point has been created, and you're good to go. So if something happens down the road, you have a clean System Restore point, which you can go back to and bring your system back to a known good thing. Thanks for watching. Visit us on the web at PensacolaComputers.com.